because now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me.
Okay guys, so I recently just got this curl box like yesterday, but I wanted to wait for this raggedy head to be washed. So it's been like a week. I tried to push it to 2 weeks. But I just got my curl box and we're going to see what's in this. This is not the subscription one. This is the how the products work. I know it's Diva Curl and I know it's in it, but I've never tried Diva Curl. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, so this is the curl box. I think like I said in my other hair video, I purchased this curl box for $40. Yes, $40 including shipping and handling. I think this box is worth like $158, $156, somewhere around there. So let's see, finally, I get to try out Diva Curl for the longest, for like a good year or two, like scrolling on Instagram trying to see, oh, I may want to try out this product. Go to the store, the product being like $30 a piece, $22 a piece. Yeah, I'm not about that. No, that's a lot of money. But okay, so let's open this up and see what's in here. Okay, so first thing I see, Diva Curl is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. So if you don't like all that junk in your hair products, then definitely go ahead and try out Diva Curl. It is expensive, but I mean, if you want to pay for better ingredients, so yeah. So let's go ahead and get into the hair products. Okay, so the next product that I see is this Diva Curl Super Cream Coconut Styler. So I wonder if it has a good hold. We'll see after this wash. So yeah, we'll see how good this is because I don't think I've ever used a styling cream that looked like a mousse bottle. So the next product is the like literally most popular thing I guess on Instagram for the longest. And it is the Wash Day Wonder, the Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler. I can't wait to try this out because I normally don't do something like this to try to go ahead and detangle my hair. I normally just use a regular everyday conditioner to go ahead and detangle my hair. So we'll see how this goes. I really hope this goes good with my hair because it's super thick and it hasn't been treated for like a week. So the next product is, now I've never seen a product like this, and it is the Build Up Buster Micellar Water Cleansing Serum. I don't know what this is for. It says the powerful cleanser uses micellar technology to gently remove buildup from the hair and scalp without stripping. So pretty much I guess this is like a gentle cleanser. So the Buildup Buster is pretty good. It has a lot of slip. I kind of just don't like the smell. The smell is kind of like, you know, that liquid glue that comes in the tube, that's super glue. That's how it smells. So it feels like you're just putting a liquid into your hair that's actually cleaning your hair a whole heck of a lot, and it's really giving your hair moisture and making it shiny, and it's a whole bunch of other benefits. I will have the link below. Okay, so now back to my hair. It's defined, it's shiny, it's very much detangled in this Wash Day Wonder. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to deep condition. So I kind of don't like conditioning. I more so like deep conditioning. So now I am gonna go ahead and use my Flare Sol spray bottle, and I'm gonna use my Denman brush. And the mask I will be choosing is, okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use this one, and then probably in the next week I'll go ahead and use this one. So let's go ahead and put this bad boy in my hair. I will be doing it in full speed, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it is very much green. I don't know if you can see it. It's semi-thick, and the smell does remind me of matcha green tea. Okay, so that's what I'll be doing over my whole entire head. So I'll be right back once I'm done. Hey everybody, so this is the next day. I left it in overnight because it is an overnight mask, which I love because I love just having my hair just being moisturized while going into sleep and waking up and just have to rinse it out. So this morning I'll be going ahead and rinsing it out. Then I'll be going in with my Diva Curl Super Cream Coconut Curl Styler, and it does say define and control, so we'll see how it defines and control my hair. Then I'll be adding the Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Jelly. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this side and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my pick. Now my hair is only 90% dry, so I hope this does not give me frizz. Hey guys, so I had a couple difficulties. I was trying to use, like it says, less is more, but okay, so here's the thing. So if you try to use that plus a gel, and you really don't like use a Denman brush and like really go through the hair from top to bottom, your scalp will be very, very, very frizzy. So like this may look all good right now, but no comment. But that's my own fault. But with the rest of my hair, honestly, it's so good. It's like really good. The only problem was that I was smoothing it through my hair. Like I wasn't fully going in and like raking it through to make sure the product got through and make sure that the product got like close to the scalp part, because that is frizzy. But everything else is perfect. I am in love with Diva Curl products. I cannot wait to go ahead and do my hair again. So fully go ahead and do what I normally do, because I just wanted this time to be listening to their instructions. So yeah guys, if you want to try out Diva Curl, all the links will be down below, and I think right now that their website actually has 25% off all my opinions on my own. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell right by the subscribe to be reminded every single time I upload. And don't forget to comment on what's your favorite Diva Curl hair products, or if you ever tried Diva Curl at all, because this is actually my first time trying out their products and I actually really like it. So yeah guys, have a blessed day. Bye guys.
I like it like that. like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like